Today I will share about acrylic colors. You know, in this channel I introduce with my journey so that you, if you are a beginner in art journaling or beginner in art at all, like I was just 4 years ago, I want to help you with the knowledge I have gained so that you can get over your fears and begin right away today with materials you already have. And for that I will make videos especially for the beginners. Even in the past you have not been able to draw a straight line or any shape, even if you say you are not familiar with anything from art, I will share with you how you can begin. And also I will share the mindset behind why would anybody need this journaling or art journaling. Why would anyone need to put visual images on a paper? And I'm sharing my journey also here. Now, while I am visiting America, I was amazed to see what anyone can get in garage sale or estate sale or even in a thrift stores. The size of thrift stores, they are just huge. And yesterday I was in one thrift store and you wouldn't believe what I bought. I bought boxes with books, and I bought this much, can you imagine this much stamps from a very great company, and those stamps are very beautiful, new. The price is also amazing, just $4, and this one is a little bit larger for $5. The company is stamping up. I bought one stamp from Michael's around $18 to $20, one stamp, and here is a bunch of these. And of course there is this feeling of hunting, because I cannot go to the shop and say, okay, today I will buy acrylic colors, or today I will buy stamps, now I need pen, or now I need paper. There is this element of surprise, but also it's very fun, because at the same time, okay, I got these and now I have to be creative with what I've got. I will go to art shop today. I will buy ink and ink pad so that I can use these. I will show you in next videos some of these, but some of them I will not use because I want to make special packages so that you can buy them on eBay and you also can begin your own artistic journey. So follow my channel. You will see how I use these stamps, and also you will see other information about art supplies. And this is to encourage you to begin your art journaling journey. And also this is fun for me, because I know when I started, when I saw those beautiful videos on YouTube, I never was able to find something for myself, for somebody who is in the middle of her life and never was doing any art. I knew how art is important, but I always was living with this mindset, it's too late. Okay, you missed the train and be happy. And then I started, and I will share with you how you also can start step by step so that you would enjoy. Because once we are in that realm where we get satisfied, happy, when we fall into this feeling of meditative being out of our daily life, we are no more in realm of problems, we are in a realm of solutions. I will say once more, we are no longer in problem realm, we are in solution realm. Something changes in the way how we think, how we find answers to our questions, how we find solutions. It's so important, this process of feeling and thinking and understanding.